What's up guys, it's your boy AB Cooking. Welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today I'm gonna just show you how to make an ice cream just with a peach and banana. It will be very easy. Let's go.
Take peaches, peel and slice them. Peel 3 bananas and slice them too. Mix together and chop in a blender. Pour into a mold. Put it in the freezer for a few hours.
4 hours later.
Pour into bowl. Please subscribe to our channel and leave your opinion in the comments. It really helps us to evolve.